Giving you a quick update from the greenhouse today. It's the end of January, pretty darn cold outside. But today what we're going to talk about is we're going to get an update on growing and harvesting and drying catnip. So for those of you that have cat friends that like to indulge on catnip, here's a quick, easy way of how you can grow it yourself. So I planted this catnip at the end of August in the greenhouse, just direct sowed the seeds right into the dirt, and it took probably about 4 weeks before I got my first harvest. I have been harvesting off this plant every week and a half and have been drying it, and it dries probably within 2 weeks, where I have it drying in the closet in the house. So I'm going to take you through all the steps, show you the harvest, show you where I've already have been drying in my stacked layer dryer, and I'll also show you what the cats think of it, both when I first harvest it and then also after it's dry. All right, let's get looking. All right, so this is the catnip plant, and again, very basic seeds. I think I got them at the local hardware store, and wild catnip heirloom for $1.29 for a bazillion seeds in there. This is where it's grown. I just threw a bunch into regular potting soil, watered it, kept it in the sun, and it has popped up quite well. Now during the winter months, I have been keeping it under a grow light, and it has been very, very prolific. So let's take a harvest. So basically I just take my harvesting shears and just grab a bunch and just shear it right off. And for this, the reason I harvest it so often is it's getting so big that I can't even keep it under the grow lights. So I trim it way back down. All right, that's the plant. I'm going to go ahead and put it back under the grow lights. And off it goes again for some more growing, and we'll harvest some more in another week or so.